So, with everybody doing all this Christmas in July and whatnot, I don't start any Christmas, like, making projects until literally fall because that's the last thing on my mind right now is Christmas. But I want to give you a quick slideshow of all the cute stuff I made last year before I had my YouTube channel. Check it out. So here are 2 candles I made. Super adorable. I made this, I call it my infinity Christmas tree. I made that with trim. I made these skis and the actual ski parts. The cute gingerbread sign. I made the mints. I customized the board. I made that tree. And those are canvas. Those presents and gift bag that I made look like a gift and gift bag. And then here's a cute little garland I made with popsicle sticks. I made the wreath. Here's a cute little sign. It looks like a letter to Santa that I painted. We got the fa la 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 I customized, painted with added jingle bells. I made this cute reindeer feet on my milk can and added that fur to look like earmuffs. And my adorable snowman head that I just love so much.